I got two saws here, one for each of you. Point of fact, I really do have two saws here. They're both Baco Laplanders, but they're kind of different. And when I mean they're different, the difference is the blades. So one has what's called the professional blade on it, and I'm going to show you up close shots of that in a minute. And the one just has the standard blade on it that when you purchase this via Amazon or wherever else you get this Baco Laplander, the blade that is on this one is what's going to come with. So let's go ahead and look at both these blades side by side. All right, side by side, you can see that these blades are rather different. This is the blade that you're going to get standard stock on a Baco, and they have for years have been my go-to saw as far as, you know, something smaller like hand limbing saw goes. But this, I just picked this up not too long ago. As you can tell, it's not very worn out, is the professional blade, and it's very, very different in its tooth design. You can see that kind of double stacked tooth design. It's rather aggressive. Got multi sizes on there, and this blade really goes through wood real good. This blade, and I've said it before, you know, these will cut on the push pull. It's like a bi-directional saw, but this one is more on the pull. You know, it will cut a little bit on the push, as you can see, but I mean, it's really going to have most of its cutting power on the pull. So kind of a single directional saw, and you can really see that by the way it's kicking sawdust there. It's only kicking sawdust on that side. So we got a piece of a myrrh honeysuckle here, and I have the standard blade right here. Let's see what it does. Again, I've been using this saw for years, and I gave this saw to my son, and it's still perfectly viable as a saw. But let's see what the other blade can do. It's way better, way smoother, no hang-ups, no jitter. Didn't get pinched very well, and I mean, it went through that honeysuckle like butter.
Well, first let's do the original blade.
Getting stuck?
Yeah, it's actually really hard to do.
You got a rather wiggly branch. That might be.
You see, there's also like all these ridges and all that.
Ridges. Well, you're kind of doing it not great.
Yeah.
So come to this side of the tree. Over on this side. Let's give this give it a fair shake. Come to this side of the tree. Hold this side. Wait, you're left-handed.
Yes.
That's why. Gotcha.
Yeah.
All right. Go ahead.
Let's just redo the whole thing.
That's fine. 3, 2, 1.
So first let's do the original blade.
Not bad, not bad.
It was pretty good.
Now the new blade.
Now the new blade. So I can already tell it looks better.
More aggressive.
Yeah. So you can see that was definitely less time though.
Faster.
And you can see the cut is really smoother actually.
Yeah?
Yeah. So I pick up this blade.
If you say so.
It was like not smooth at all.
So what do you think about the new blade? Does it smoother, better to control? What do you think?
It's definitely smoother. I
Okay.
would definitely prefer this one over that one.
Really? Okay. Yeah. All right. Well, there's your opinion. You know, so we could do this video in nauseam, but it doesn't need to be that long of a video. The original blade to the Baco works perfectly fine. I've been using these blades for over a decade. But the new blade, the professional blade, quote unquote professional blade, in my opinion, I think it's better. I honestly think that this blade is better. I think it's smoother, it's faster, especially through bigger wood. More of a diameter, 3-4 inch diameter wood, where this will get kind of hung up a little bit. The professional blade is just a little bit easier to go through. So like I said, we don't have to make this a very long video. I wanted to do the video to show you this blade. It is really good. It's definitely worth picking up from Amazon. Just the blade alone cost me $20. That being said, you can pick up a brand new Baco for like 31 bucks or something like that off Amazon. So the blade is expensive, but I'm telling you, it's worth it. It is absolutely worth it. They are better than the original blades. All right, guys, well, hopefully you enjoyed the video, and if you did, I'd appreciate it if you click subscribe down below. Liking the video helps me and my channel out a lot. If you guys want to pick up some merch, Manus Outdoors merch, hoodies, t-shirts, you name it, they're pretty much there. You can go to my Bonfire store. Links to that will be in the description below. It's www.bonfire.com/Manus Outdoors. You can support the channel by going to Buy Me a Coffee. Links to that will be down below as well. Wife's got a dog out here, and that's what's yipping in the background. But again, hopefully you enjoyed the video, and hopefully we'll see you out in the woods. All right, 3, 2, 1. You get the Tombstone reference. 3, 2, 1. I do have two saws actually, and they seem to be the same. They seem to be both Buckeye. 3, 2, 1. Well, actually, I do have two saws, and they seem like they're both Buckeye. God damn it. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Point of fact, I do have two saws here. They seem like they are the same, which they pretty much are. They are both Baco Laplander saws, but they do have something uniquely different in them. Okay, dude, why can't I spit this out?
Next time you're just gonna Mitch McConnell and just like.
Okay. 3, 2, 1. Point of fact is I do have two saws here, and they seem like they're both Buckeye. Why do I keep calling it Buckeye?
Baco.
Huh?
Baco?
Just think of The Simpsons when he's like,
When you put a brace on a pistol, it becomes a higher caliber.
Oh God, he's having a Joe Biden moment. Someone get the phone.
Okay. All right. So like, asshole. 3, 2, 1.